Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is pumping today, Bitcoin holding strongly and trying to break out from this bullish wedge. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and Crypto Minds, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, static analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, everything just for your education and for entertainment purposes only. So guys, always do your own research, even if you are investing for a long term with dollar cost averaging, or you are trading for short term or farming, staking, whatever. Just go after, do your own research, make your decision based on your research, and always take responsibility for your decision. So guys, let's smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And after smashing those like, then let's share my screen and let's go and see what's happening out there. Let's make this a little bit. Okay, so just we arrived on our favorite bubble chart. You see that Bitcoin is up 1% and traded above 44,000 US dollar. This will be the next level to watch. The resistance now seems flipping to support. Ethereum is traded above 3,200 and up 4.4% just in a single day. So definitely looks pretty good. And in a weekly, both the leading coins are up 20%. And guys, also waves up 14, flow 14, gala 6, so 7, Arweave 8, neo 6, Celo 6, engine almost 8, mana 3, 1, 7, Saitama the meme coin 18, and Ethereum Classic that is not the same like Ethereum is almost 10, and Sandbox 5, so definitely looks pretty good. And let's go check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, and you see that we are sitting at 54. So we are in the neutral zone, and also the index went above 50. So this is the first time in the last 2-3 months that the index went to 50. So we were there at 54 on 18th of November. So almost 2.5 months, maybe 3 months, 2.5 months from now, we were there. And guys, if you are looking back, that you see in last summer, the index dipped as low as 10, 4, 5 times and then started to recover to the grid zone. And after this happens, we have seen 50% pump also in August and September, and also in November, and that Bitcoin reached a new all-time high. We know when investors are getting so fearful and they're worrying, that it's always a good buying opportunity because they are selling their coins cheap. And if investors are getting greedy, that's always due a correction. So now we are getting a little bit greedy. Okay, let's go and check our next news, that Bitcoin needs to reclaim these two levels to avoid another 28,000 US dollar dip. So according to this, we are not out of the woods yet, and let's see why. So Rack Capital thinks that we are in a corridor from 28,000 to 69,000, and these two BTC bull market EMAs are now going to figure as a resistance. So these are I think the 50 and maybe no, this is the 200 and I think the 100 exponential moving averages, or no, 21 a week and the 50 week exponential moving averages. They constitute the midpoint of the macro range. Both need to be reclaimed as support for BTC to enter the upper half of its macro range. So first, Bitcoin should just broke this 21 week and then the 50-week moving averages. No golden cross on the horizon for now. So if we are talking about golden cross, that would be when the 50 moving average is crossing the 200 moving average. Not crossed, but went below. So the golden cross when the 50 is going above the 200-day moving average, but we should still waiting for that. Okay, next piece of news is Russian government and central bank agreed to trade Bitcoin as currency, not as commodity, as currency. So this is definitely huge news. Kommersant noted that Bitcoin transactions and possession of cryptocurrency in the Russian Federation are not prohibited. However, they must be done through a digital currency exchange organizer, a bank, or a peer-to-peer exchange licensed in the country. So not everybody can exchange crypto to fiat and back and forth. Cool, sounds good. And just guys, as a reminder, 2 weeks ago there was a huge fight going around that Russia will ban Bitcoin, Russia will ban Bitcoin mining, Russia will ban crypto in general, and everybody just freaked out. And now it turns out that also the government and the central bank is embracing crypto, and also we will get some juicy news on Twitter about that. PowderKed FSI Insights report says as single spark could see BTC 5x. 5x guys, 5x. Okay, financial research firm FS Insights predicts in a new report that Bitcoin could reach 222,000 US dollar and Ether could reach 12,000 US dollar by the end of 2022. So a lot of twos also in the Bitcoin price predictions, but I like this number mystic. Okay, so they are talking about the halving when the market cap peaked at an increase of 4.2x. The halving is when the mining reward issued per block is reduced by half, decreasing the new supply coming onto the market. The 2020 halving saw block rewards go down to 6.25 BTC per block. Okay, and also the supply side dynamics are also seen as bullish signal for FSI Insights. The illiquid supply of Bitcoin that has found a long-term home in storage accounts for about 75% of the circulating supply. The current supply dynamics can best be described as a powder keg. The question remains, who lights the match? So guys, who will lighting the match? Cool, definitely huge. The case for Ethereum. Ethereum generated nearly 10 billion US dollar in fees in 2021, according to the report. That is a 1.5% 6 annual growth rate from not 1.5 but a 1,564% annual growth rate from 2022, and these are 2020. These are the annual fees, and they're definitely insane. Why we don't necessarily believe this to make Ethereum sound money? It is certainly beneficial for price, and also Ethereum 2.0 transition to proof of stake and the layer 2 platforms that are giving this power for Ethereum to go up as 12,000. Guys, let's go and check our next news. Here is what it would take for Bitcoin to rally 200% according to Invest Answers. Okay, so Invest Answers tells us the cause of a big macro shock, you would need somebody trying to buy between 100 and 200,000 Bitcoin within the space of 1 or 2 weeks. That would propel the market to 5x, not 5, 3x in a very short window of time. That's all it takes, because a lot of people do actually have their crypto on exchanges, but they are not willing to sell it. There's a lot of people like me who are not willing to sell. so that metric wasn't available on exchanges to sell. It's very different, but everybody has their price, and the higher we go, the more sellers there will be, and it will even itself out. But if again somebody tries to buy 100 to 200,000 within a 2-week period, we go. We 3x overnight, and that could happen. So guys, watch this video and invest answers live Q&A. So this is definitely huge. Next piece of news is Bitcoin reverses its trajectory after touching 45,000 US dollars, but mega whales are still buying. So, okay, what about these mega whales? Today's pullback is due to some profit taking after a big move. Bitcoin had rallied about 38% on an intraday basis in less than 2 weeks. So I think it's just a matter of traders taking some short-term profits. Yes. There isn't going to be unlimited liquidity from the Fed anymore, and if we have the money supply contracting, if we have interest rates rising, it will tend to make things like crypto less attractive on a global scale. Bitcoin mega whales continue accumulating. Mega whales of Bitcoin have accumulated significantly the past 7 weeks. Addresses with 1000 BTC or more have added a combined to 220,000 Bitcoin to their combined wallets since December 23rd, the most rapid accumulation we have seen in September 2019. So guys, this is the Bitcoin price, the green columns, and these pink is the coins, the percentage of the coins that the whales are holding. So this is definitely huge. The Bitcoin's mega whales addresses. So addresses higher than 1000 Bitcoin holding more and more Bitcoins. So this is something that it's good to know, because this is how what's going on behind the scenes. No new lows. Parabolic Bitcoin indicator could suggest the local bottom is in. Okay, parabolic uptrend intact, says indicator with 95% confidence rate. 95%, definitely huge. Parabolic SAR indicator. Parabolic SAR moves up or down along with the price action, with Bitcoin price trading above the parabolic SAR. Up it went in February, meaning that the indicator will be touched if a retest of January's lows occur. It also could mean that January's lows are never revisited, or at least not for some time. January's lows. Yeah, last year January's lows, or what are they talking about? Backing up the ID, the Bitcoin bottom is in. Okay, so this is backing up the ID, also the moving averages and the flow and the parabolic SR. So guys, lots of other indicators that you can say that the bottom is in, but you can be never sure, because every time a surprise can occur. So, next piece of news is huge. Gamestop stock up on rumors of Microsoft NFT game partnerships. So guys, Gamestop and Microsoft is working on a partnership, and also Access from Immutable X and Microsoft appear to have hinted that software giant could also be teaming up with Gamestop for NFT games. Microsoft partnering with GameStop, yes, best graphic I have seen about this nothingness, so passing it on, probably nothing the GameStop and Microsoft. With the ability to freely mint and trade NFTs on Immutable X platform, it's no brainer. GameStop could launch Hearthstone on their brand new Web3 platform by simply making an NFT for every card and distributing them according to users' exiting card collections. It's about as easy as it would get. Cool. Next piece of news. Yeah, so global crypto adoption could soon hit a hyper-inflection point. So that was also news yesterday. Check out this news. So guys, come and follow me and also Korean platform on Twitter. You can find me at MIKLOS Dankler and at Korean platform. And you see that I share Zusu about Russia, and also there was a huge FUD around that Russia will ban Bitcoin and crypto, and now they are embracing. So what a turn that's happened. And also Anton Popliano says that Russia is playing geopolitical chess. If Russia becomes sympathetic to the Bitcoin and crypto industry, including putting the digital currency on their balance sheet or mining with state resources, it will force the hand of the United States. Yes, so this is how they are playing this game. Some Bitfinex have hacks, just some things here, that almost 120,000 Bitcoin was stolen in 2017. Value that time was 76 million, and Bitfinex just repaid the victims the US equivalent of those, and Bitfinex get 3.6 billion 5 years later. So borrow 76 million and repay slowly and get 3.6 billion. So this is how it is. And also from Crypto Banter, you see this Russia and America, what's going on. I also shared that was a Polygon raises 450 million from Sequoia Capital and other huge players. Okay, this is from Blunt. Last time we got a nice close about a 100-day moving average was back in July, which was the start of an almost 100% rally. So things are therefore starting to look good again. So that was a nice rally, almost 100% up. Something big, not bug, but big is brewing for stablecoins adoption. This is Fed's new paper on stablecoins. Today deserves both praise and response. Okay. So this is a pretty big deal, in my opinion, bigger than the Tesla buying BTC news. When these large multinational companies that deal with dollars start buying, you need to pay attention. KPMG is one of those organizations that advises governments and other large companies. And KPMG just announced yesterday that they bought Bitcoin and Ethereum. Laser punks are coming. Big Bang, once upon a time, and Laserpunk Galaxy was born. Our story begins soon. Stay tuned. And daily videos and educational content from CorionX, and some history about Bitcoin and crypto, bull cycles. 2013, drugs driven. 2017, retail driven. 2021, institution driven. 2023, countries, nation states driven. 2025, humanities, monetary good driven. Cool. Check out this thread about the cycles, and also check out this from Alex Becker and Lark Davis about the 50-day moving averages, and that would bring us in the next 40 days nice games. Crypto users versus internet users, we already talked about that. So guys, this is huge. Follow us on Twitter, because you will get juicy prompt crypto related news there. Also join our Telegram channel. You find all links in the descriptions. So guys, let's go and check what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, not that, but that. So Bitcoin is traded just below 45,000 US dollar, and Bitcoin just trying to flip this resistance to support. So especially this 45,000 US dollars, and the next resistance levels it at 46 and 48,000 US dollars. So for now, looks pretty good. That was a nice a bullish wedge, a kind of bull flag or bullish wedge, a bullish triangle, and then Bitcoin broke out from this triangle. So it looks pretty good. What about Ethereum? So Ethereum is holding strongly and just traded about 3,200 US dollar levels. The next levels to flip the resistance to support is at 344 3,440. So this is the level I'm watching for. So guys, this is about the today's short charting. Let's go and check our farms. If you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX, then look up some liquidity on Uniswap, and then you can earn in the CorionX Ethereum LP pool 330% APRs. If you are holding BEP20 version, BSC version of CorionX, then look up your liquidity on PancakeSwap and earn to 100 and almost 20% APRs. So guys, this is for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.